Hi friends, today we're gonna read The Very Hungry Caterpillar Nature Walk, a search and find book. It's a wonderful day for a nature walk. And here comes the very hungry caterpillar, ready to explore. He hears something going tweet, tweet. Can you find one bluebird? On the forest floor, friends hurry by, but not everyone moves quickly. Can you find two slow snails? 1, 2. Look at the squirrels. They are searching for more tasty snacks. Can you find 3 delicious acorns? 1, 2, 3. The very hungry caterpillar comes across a patch of pretty flowers. Look at all the different colors. Can you find 4 pink flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4. After a long day of exploring, this nature walk comes to an end. The very hungry caterpillar curled up on a cozy leaf beneath the night sky. Can you find 5 glowing fireflies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good night. Bye, friends.